So surprisingly, despite 60% of India's healthcare spends being on surgeries, the entire inpatient experience in India is quite broken. What we understood that majority of the challenges remain around finding the reliable advice on getting the right expert or the hospital, the transparency and clarity that is needed for someone to make a decision for something like surgery, right? And the obvious the high cost of care that is around surgeries, that the support that is needed on the financial terms, and obviously the entire post-operative care or the recovery journey that we call it, right? So this entire navigation itself is becoming extremely challenging for an individual to take a surgery journey on their own. At Medibuddy, we always try to come up with newer initiatives or growth initiatives that we call, so that we can help millions and millions of people for their healthcare needs. Our vision is to be that one-stop platform where everyone can rely on for all of their healthcare needs. Since the time we have launched in the last 4 months itself, we have facilitated over 700 surgeries so far, and this is only possible with the kind of offerings that we bring in and the kind of team and the structure that we have established here at Medibuddy. So we have a team of 50 plus dedicated concierge team members, whom we call it as care buddies. So they are basically your buddy throughout the journey, right? From the time where we have understood an individual's requirement for a surgery to the time they have recovered completely and they're happy about their surgery, we are there with them. So how a journey basically starts for us is we have partnered with 300 plus hospitals where we have 500 plus experts catering to over 50 conditions which are on the departments of ophthalmology, gynecology, urology, etc. Right? And we basically give a suite of services which are around counseling, which can be related to your financial guidance or a financial support that you may need, and concierge services which are around your helping you with your admission discharge paperwork, your pre and post operative cab bookings, or even the unlimited follow-ups, the second opinions that you may need, and an extensive recovery care management that we host here at Medibuddy. Surgery care itself, right? I mean, the kind of business we are in, we are actually impacting lives and helping them take one of it's not an easy decision. It's a difficult decision that they take during their life to get an intervention done. For us, it's very important that they are recovering successfully and they're happy with their surgery. So we do follow making sure taking customer feedbacks at every step of their journey, not just when they are done with their surgery and they are in the recovery phase. We also talk about their interaction with the surgeon, if they're happy and comfortable to go ahead with the surgery with that surgeon, right? And the kind of hospital we are choosing, and obviously after the entire experience of IPD, if they are successfully recovered and how their journey has been. So we follow all these metrics in which we take constant feedback from the patient. What excited me at Medibuddy is the kind of impact that we were able to create in such short time, right? And the vertical that I have taken up as a challenge, which is new initiative, which is you have to come up with newer ways on how we can grow faster and reach those millions and millions of people in the shortest period time. That's what keeps me on my toes and excites me and keeps me going with Medibuddy.